How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Joyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto bagels from scratch. Take a look at these bagels. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Keto bagels. Let me show you how to make these right now. All right, let's start off with the dry ingredients. 1 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of real salt, and mix until combined. Now to add the wet ingredients. 1/2 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I'm using Fage, and mix until combined. Now to transfer this onto a pan lined with parchment paper. And use wet hands to mold into like a bagel shape. All right, these bagels are looking pretty good here. So now we're just going to top them. We've got sesame seeds here. All right, time to pop these into the oven. All right, in the meantime, we'll slice up some tomato and onion. Nice thin slices here. Now for the onion. Nice onion slices. And there you have it. All right, now we're going to assemble a sandwich. Got a Keto Bagels here. I'm going to turn them upside down. We've got cream cheese. We're going to put some cream cheese on both sides. We have our smoked trout. Alright, so then we have some thinly sliced onion and thinly sliced tomato. Put this on top. A keto bagel with cream cheese, smoked trout, onion, and tomato. You could use smoked salmon if you want. Now for a taste test. Wow, take a look at this keto bagel. Looks incredible. Now for a taste test. Wow, this is delicious. Tastes just as good, if not better, than a New York style bagel. I gotta say, that was amazing. Absolutely incredible. What a bagel. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you all be safe and be well. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I'm sure you're going to enjoy those. Have a great day. Metroid signing out.